How to change Roblox profile picture. Want to update your Roblox profile picture? Here's how you can do that. So first and foremost, log into your Roblox account and then go ahead and click on your avatar, which you'd basically find at the top right or the top left. So once you click on this will take you into your Roblox profile. So in here, simply select edit avatar. So your profile picture on Roblox is basically what you call an avatar. So you can go ahead and select the body, makeup, clothing, and accessories and animations for your avatar. So you can go ahead and use Robux for this. And then once you're done with it, you can save the changes you've made for your account. So simply select the items that you want to use for your profile, and then that's it. And that is how you can basically change Roblox profile picture.